There is a option called posting. So here we have some posting. So once you created any job requisition, we have to post it in various places. Like we have some sites. What type of sites we usually have? Like internal site, internal career site, career page, and external site. And also we have some job boards. Job boards is nothing but third party like Naukri, Monster, LinkedIn, etc. These things we call it as job boards. And the next one is agency posting. Agency. So agency is nothing but consultancies. Okay. Once you create any job requisition, those jobs should post in any of these sites, like internal posting, like that company has some internal posting page. So there we can post it on where all internal users can able to view their jobs openings within the company. So that is internal posting. And the next one is external site posting. So external career page, like each and every client has their external page also. Like example, if you go to any company page, let's take like IBM. So in this IBM company, there may be one careers page, say IBM Careers India. Likewise, so here you can search any of the openings, like current openings. You can search this job openings in IBM or anything. So you can suppose you can enter some sales or SAP. You can search based on the keywords. Okay. So now here you can see there are many jobs posted based on this SAP skill set. Okay. So this is external career site normally. So internally there may be one more website also for each and every client. Okay. So like how we are going to post this internal site, internal career page, external career page on job boards and agency posting. Okay. Now let me log into any instance. So log into your instance. So go to recruiting. So here we have one job requisition called project manager, and here we have a job posting. So once you click on this job posting, inside you can see whether the job posting is activated or not. So here you can see internal career site posting, external career site posting, and also we have some job boards like job board posting, and the fourth one is agency listing. Okay. So first we will post it in internal site. Here we have a internal career site. So this post job is already posted long back. So it got expired. Let me post it again. Okay. So before posting, there is just dates like posting start date and end date. Like whenever you post any job, so make sure you selected the time frames, like how many days the job should open in the site. Okay, example, I'm selecting from today to till 31st. So only during this time the job is open in this site. So click on post job. Okay, and here once you post, here we'll get the link also, like internal career site page link also. You can select this and check whether this job is posted there or not. This is internal posting only. So you can see the internally we have posted, and if any user internally, they can apply to this job. So this is first internal posting, and now let me post it externally. So again click on post. So same way here also you have to select dates and post the job. Okay, so we have posted that, and we can check in external site page also. Okay, so this is external site, but now the external site is not working, because if you want to post effectively in external site, make sure that RMK, like recruiting marketing, is integrated with your instance. So now we do not have any recruiting marketing integrated, so that there is no external posting is happening. And there is one more field also, like job board posting. So before posting, now here this job is not being posted on any job boards. Okay, so if you want to post this, click on this post and manage jobs. When I click on post and manage jobs, so here we will get one error: cannot find data center to company this company. So this error is mainly, so this instance does not have, so we are unable to post it externally because there is no RMK integrated. That is one error. And I'm unable to post it in job boards because there is no recruiting posting integrated. Okay, so these are the two missings are there. So once, like RMK we are not going to integrate, we are directly raise a SAP ticket, and SAP people will integrate it, and they will share the link. Okay, and recruiting posting also same way, we will raise a request to SAP, and they will integrate recruiting posting, and they will share with us. Okay, so now one more question, like how to create these URLs. Like we have an internal URL and external URLs. So how to create? For that we have a separate page where we can create a career sites. So let me take one more duplicate page. So here we have an option called recruiting sites. Manage recruiting sites. So inside this manage recruiting sites, first we are going to activate the sites. Internal site, here we have a edit option. Yes. So here we have a Dropbox upload, manage recruiting site themes also. First we have to upload the themes, but this is not part of RCM consultant actually. There is a separate recruiting posting or RMK consultant, but sometimes you are going to involve in this pages design also. So here you can create a new theme for your site also. Like there is already Fiori Wave 5 theme is already available. Like this is nothing but your output page of your internal site and external site. You can see. So this is how you can see there. First job search page and job applied, these things. Now you don't need to worry about this. Just check whether these themes are activated or not. So in real time also, by default, once you activate the recruiting posting sites, like once you integrate RMK and job recruiting posting by SAP, next you can see these sites are active or enabled. This one. So here we have a default external career portal. You can open that. Oh, okay, so here they have updated few things here. You can see the same options they are activated already, and they have updated URL also, logo, from where they can pick the logo as well. So this information. So what actually we will do as a consultant, so you no need to worry. So this site by default provided by SAP itself, you no need to worry about this. But if you have any specific link, we will share that link, and they will update the site URL. So this site URL only we are using for posting. And here we have Is there any names, or if you have any themes or something, you have any images of your own, you can collect that from your client and you can upload it. Okay. So here mainly we will check whether this site is updated or not. So that is our main activity. Apart from that, you no need to check anything. Okay. And here you have enable upload of documents from Dropbox. So sometimes if your resume is stored in like any Dropbox, so Dropbox is nothing but your storage, document storage file. Like OneDrive is there, right, for Google. So same way we have a Google, like Microsoft Dropbox, or documents you can upload from Google Drive also. Okay. So suppose if your resume is stored in Google Drive or Dropbox, you can directly upload from there itself. No need to download again and no need to save in your desktop and upload it again and again. So you can directly upload. So that is for mobile apply only. And enable virtual external career sites. So we have enabled. So check whether these things are enabled or not, and show only required fields in mobile application. So if you want to grant only like mandatory fields in mobile page, you can show this also. Okay. Else you no need to check that. So if you want to create a new site also, you can click on create new. Suppose if you have any new site, you can click on create new site and you can create it. But here we already have a maximum number of sites already created. Internal site and external site is already created. So now the system is not allowing us to create one more, because since we have limited create site. Here you can see whenever I add, it's getting new, like new brand is adding. So let me delete these new things, and here also it has added one more new. So go inside edit page, and there you can update your site name. Okay, but URL we can't change, so URL remains the same from SAP. Okay, so here you can select site name and default language and description and site landing page themes also. Okay, so likewise you can configure your site and logo URL. So wherever you want to pick the logo, you can update that logo URL as well. But maximum every time in real time, this URLs by default is supplied by SAP, unless your client having a separate link. Example, if IBM is implemented this, if they want to make this as their career site, so then what they will do, you are going to share this information with SAP and they will update this career site as their internal site and external site. So once you activated this, then you go back to the recruiting posting and post it. So this is about your internal site posting and external site posting. Okay. For job boards, we need recruiting posting. So in this instance, we don't have a recruiting posting. So I'm unable to check that. Let me try. Is there any way to add the job boards? Manage recruiting posting. See, manage recruiting posting is not working. So maybe by tomorrow I'll get this access, because we know how to activate this. So I will activate the recruiting posting on RMK integrated with this instance, and later we will see. So as of now we will see only internal posting and external posting, and there is one more option called agency creation. Okay. So any doubt, any confusion in internal posting and external posting? Okay.
Raj,
Okay. No problem.
so no, we have created, I mean, no, we have repost the same job here, right? So if we want to add or posting new job, how we can do that?
New job.
Yeah, for example, internal career site postings is there, right?
Yes.
We just reposted the same job, right?
Yes. Yeah.
So if you want to add a new post, then how we can do that?
Yes, same way, like you created one job requisition and it goes approved and it ready to posting. Like it's ready to
Okay,
post. So that time we will get like post. So example, last time we created one RCM consultant, I guess. So let me take one fresh one, which is not posted yet. So let me take this. Okay, this is not approved yet. So that is the reason. Okay, here is job posting. So this job is not posted, I think. So we'll see. Okay, so it's posted because we can post automatically, and in we can create one business tool for this, like automatic posting also. So normally if it is not posted also, it will show like the same page only. So this is already posted, so it's saying like this. So if it is not yet posted, the option is looks like same way, post job, not like again post.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
same.
Got it.
Yeah, this is how it looks before posting and after posting also. So after posting you can see remove post. If it is not yet posted, you can see postage out. Okay.
Okay, right. Got it. Thank you.
Yeah. And there is add agency listing. So agency listing is like add agency. So now before posting any jobs, like if you like suppose your client like your customer tie up with some few clients like some Adeco consultancy, some Alp consultancy, as is there any other Technosoft consultancies. Like so maybe they are tie up with different consultancies. So whenever you have any requirement, you have to post the job with their consultant as well. So we are just intimating to them as well. So how to create that? First, we have to collect how, who is the vendors of yours, like how many consultants, and we will collect this information in your workbook, and we are going to first create vendors first. So now here when I click on add agencies, so here we have only listed one, only two agencies is as of now. Like we have a Calibre recruiting agency and France recruitment agency. So now my client shared few more like Adeco, Alf and Technosoft consultancies. Now I want to add this. So to add these consultancies, we have option called agency. So normally in general we will call consultancy, but in SuccessFactors terminology we will call it as agency. Okay. So first we have to set up agency access. So here you can see only two agencies are Calibre and something France recruiting. Now we want to add a new agency. Click on add new agency. So agency ID, I'm selecting some like I'm selecting some Adeco here. Adeco consultancy and country. So countries is nothing but wherever that consultancy is located. Example, if it is located across the world, you can select all, or else you can select only one particular country. Example, I am selecting here India only. Okay, and address of that consultancy, something you mentioned. These are all mandatory fields. We have to update it. You update it like this. Email ID. I'm giving my email ID so that I'll get some notifications as a consultancy. Enabled and candidate ownership. Like how many days they can, like suppose we have one opening today. So like how many days we will provide to that consultancy. So maximum we will give some 10 days, 15 days. Okay, within 10 days they have to close the job. And self ownership also, like whenever they share the profile within 10 days, if you hire the candidate from consultancy, so then the consultancy is eligible for that stipend or whatever the amount we have to give it to them. Okay, likewise we have to decide how many days. And recruiter details also, allow agency users to view recruiter contact details. So normally there may be one recruiter from consultancy from the company. Okay, so you can allow agency users to view recruiter contact details. So agency person can able to view our company recruiter information so that they can directly reach out to that recruiter. So here we have a duplicate message. So, okay. So here we are going to create one message. Uh, agreement text. Okay. This is between your client and your consultancy company, not between any candidate or something. Okay, so your agreement text we will mention whatever the agreement between your consultancy and your company. Okay, as per the docs like that. Okay, and notes also, something you mentioned finally. But don't worry, this text going to provided by this all information is going to provided by your client in your workbook. Okay, so in workbook we are going to collect all this information. So maybe these consultants are not yet used. See, agency access. So they have given the list of agencies like this. They have given FEJ and address, phone number, email, and who is the username and username, email, everything. So they already shared almost 5 to 6 agencies. So likewise, we will collect all the data in real time as well. So this is the real time data where they provided to add these agencies. Okay. So add it and click on save. So once you save, you will get one option here, add new user. So here we are going to add the user from your consultancy site so that they will get system accesses. So here I am entering say my email ID so that I can able to show you how the output from consultancy site. No, save. Okay, so once you save this and finally click on save. So we just created one agency. You can check in your output also. Refresh your page and test it. So now you can see the third agency is available. So we usually select this agency, okay, and we will post the jobs. So once I click on post job, it will post it in your agency page. But before that, after adding your agency, what next? Okay, so once you added your agency, the agency user, so we also added the agency user, so that user will get a email notification saying that your agency is created with so and so company. So let me log into my Gmail and check whether I got agency registration intimation or not. Okay, so here we have a based on recruiting. I got one email notification saying that hello, welcome to based on recruiting. Your username is this, and please click to reset. This is for consultancy side email. Okay, so once the consultancy person like recruiter can able to open this agency portal and they can reset the password. It's taking a little time to load. So we have to reset the password first. And agency URLs also it's got created agency 40 like this. To reset in different browser. Some error is coming normally. Reset password. I'll reset it here only. So again the user will get one more email. Password reset purpose. maybe some server slowness. I'm not sure what exactly. Usually we won't get this error, but it's taking a lot of time. So normally we will get reset password option, and then we will user will access it, and then we will post the jobs. So how to post with agency? Okay, to post with agency, same way, you just go to your posting, and here you select add agency. Select the agency to whom you want to post. If you want to post this job with all the agencies, you can select all, and you also select the start date and end date of this same job, and you post it. Post the jobs. Okay, so now you can see with whom you shared and whom you posted. So like this, Adeko you posted, Calipri like this, with all consultants you posted. So once you post, the agency user will get a notification site like this: new job posting from SAP SF or SIM consultant, like this. Okay, so they can see like this. There is a new job posted for your agency Adecco Consultancy from SAP RCM Consultant starting April 22 12 to end date. Okay, click here to view the job posting onwards. So the agency user will open this job posting, and they will start sourcing the resumes. It means collecting the candidate resumes and applying from their end. Once the jobs shortlisted, again they will start scheduling interviews. So this is how they post. Likewise, whenever they post, they can log into their username and password, because we have provided username and password, and they log into their portal, and they will upload document like resumes. Okay, whenever you post, like I have posted this as a part-time consultant. Now let me post some another job also, see whether that posting also getting intimated to the agency user or not. So now I'm posting this internal some other approved one. Many guys we created job requisitions, but no job requisition is approved. Because of this approval, like make sure you have approved once you create it. So now I'm posting this maintenance engineer job with that. It's getting low. Let me take some another job requisition. It's taking a lot of time. I don't know what happened today. Job posting. Take this also fine. Okay, so I'll select add agency here. I'll select Adecco with dates. Post. So once you post it, next minute the user will get a notification saying that new job posted from this company. So again they got a job posting saying that so and so job posted. To view that, you can click on this and you can log in with your agency username and password. So this is how it works. But now with the agency portal is not working, so we'll check some other time. some server error is coming. But this is how we will create an agency. So in interview also they are going to ask, how to create agency and how to post it. Okay, how the agency process works, how to post with agencies. So for everything, first we will collect all the information from your client, like how many agencies they are using and what all this, and who is responsible for that each and every user agency. So create that agencies using setup agency. Then you go to job posting, select one by one agency and post it. Once you post, every time that all agencies will get notified. Okay, so once they notified, they will log in with their agency username and password, and they will upload their candidate resumes. Okay, so once they upload the candidate resumes, where that resumes will stay here in job requisition, so in forward stage. So once they post replied any job, like once they uploaded any candidates from agency, that candidate information will come to forward stage. So here we have a pipeline. In this pipeline we have a stage called forward. So in this stage it will come. So the moment, like like even you are applying from using internal site, external site, or any other job boards like LinkedIn, Naukri, whatever the job board you are using, or even from agency also, for this all resumes comes and sit in your forward stage. Okay, so once this resume is received, the recruiter will review each and every resume. If any of the resume is suitable for their job, they will start conducting for next round. They start proceeding for further rounds, like first round, second round, and other steps. Okay, so this is how the agency, like this is how the posting works. Okay, so this all entire process we call it as RCM posting or recruiting posting. Okay, so keep it in mind, there are four ways to post the jobs: internal career page, external career page, and also we have a job boards, and we have a agency as well. Okay. So you have any doubt, any confusions, let me know. For the job boards, we need to have a RMK and recruiting posting integrated. Okay, for external career site also we have a RMK integrated with that. We should have that RMK. Okay, if you have any doubt, confusion, please let me know. So here only one pending is topic is like job boards and that thing, because I have to get it CSB like careers RMK and recruiting posting integrated with it. So maybe I'll integrate after some time with this instance. Okay. So then we have some other things also in recruiting. Wait. So here we have some background check central also. So we have some pending things: background check, interview central, referral program, employee referral program, and then we have some tokens, custom tokens, standard and custom tokens, third party vendors integration, party vendors, and Facebook integration, horizontal referral program, standard and custom tokens, third party vendors integration, and then RCM2 onboarding integration. Position management integration. I'm just noting down everything, whatever the things we missed out, so that I'll get some clarity on this. We have some library. Okay, we have a data privacy consent statement. What is DPCS? Data privacy consent statement. That is also very important for this. Business rules in recruiting. Data retention management. So these are the pending things are there, and there are few more small activities are there. So first we will discuss that quickly. Okay, so these many pending things are there. So along with that, there are few more small activities also there. So let me paste it here for our reference. Okay. So now you created job requisition. Now if you want to delete any job requisition, you can delete the job requisition also. So how we can directly delete the job requisition? Like how to create job requisition you learn, but how to delete a job requisition which you don't want to use. Okay. So open any job requisition, V and edit. Suppose my client asking me to remove this job requisition. I don't want to use this job requisition. You can delete this job requisition also. So here we will have option to delete. There is option here, delete job requisition. So there are few options. One is print preview. So if you want to print this job requisition, you can see the print preview before printing, like how it is looks like in printing page. So this is how it looks like in your printing page. You can see that printing preview, and the next option is information. Like if you want to know about this form, if you want to know more information about this form job requisition, like who created, like who is the manager, this information, like basic information, that you can see it here. And then last one is delete job requisition. Okay, so if you click on this delete job requisition, so it's going to send an email notifications to triggers also. So there is no email alert application company recruiting email triggers, or you sure you want to delete. So normally if you delete, only recruiter will get to know like whether it's available or not, but no user will get to know whether the job description is deleted or not. So if you're fine with that, you can delete this job requisition. So I have deleted this 2700 job description. So it was successfully deleted. But what if you mistakenly, but knowingly, unknowingly you deleted? Suppose you deleted the job description 2700. Now again your client come back and asking, please restore that. So of course you can restore the deleted job requisition also. Whenever you mistakenly or without knowing proper information you delete it, if you want to restore, you can restore the deleted job requisitions also. not this option. So there is a separate option. So here we have option called restore deleted job requisition. So whenever you deleted any job requisition, if you want to restore, you can use this page. So now you can see the recently deleted one. So we deleted just before 2700. You can select this and you click on restore. It means again it will going back to the previous place. And now if you want to restore all the deleted ones, you can select all. You can select all job requisition and you can upload it back to same page. Okay, and also you can select using your hiring manager and using recruiter, and based on, you can directly enter the job requisition code also. So for if you know the exact job code and job title and deleted by whom, so you can select that also, and you can select using date ranges also. From this date to this date I have deleted few job requisitions, I want to restore only those job requisition, so that is also possible. Okay, so you can directly delete the job requisition or you can directly restore the deleted ones also. Okay, and there is one more option to use mass delete. So now if you don't want to delete one by one, if you want to delete all the job requisitions in one shot, you can select mass delete of job requisitions. Okay, you can select all the job requisitions here and you can directly delete it. Whatever the active job requisitions are there, those all job requisitions are available in this page. So using this page you can delete mass, like all requisitions in one shot. Okay, so there are three options here. You can delete one by one individual job requisition, and you can restore that all deleted job requisition. Or else if you want to delete all the job requisitions in one shot, you can delete using this mass deletion of job requisitions. So once you deleted this all the job requisition, again you want to restore all the deleted job requisitions in one time, you can go back to restore job requisitions and you can upload also. Okay, you can go by one or you can go with the mass also. Okay, so this is a way to you can delete the job requisitions and restore the job requisitions. Okay, so any doubt, any confusion, please do ask. So that's for today. I don't want to give more information. Even we have few more small activities, but first try to practice that agencies and job posting and check and come up with your doubt. And also try to complete your previous sessions and try to practice as much as possible, and let me know if you have any doubts or confusions. Okay.
Okay, right.
Okay, thank you guys. So that's for today. Have a good day.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.